Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious recipe, but also it's super easy to make. So first of all, we need chili peppers. You can add chili peppers if you like, or if you don't like them, you can always replace them with sweet peppers. So it all depends on your preferences. We also need mini onions. I found those in a store. They're super delicious. You can also use the normal onions. Next, we need potatoes. Make sure you peel those and you wash them. Then we need tomatoes. After that, we cut all the vegetables into large pieces and we place them in the baking sheet. We also need minced meat. Here I've used lamb. Then we will add salt and black pepper. Then we're going to roll this minced meat into balls. And then we place all of these balls on the vegetables. Then we add salt, vegetable oil, then squeeze 1 or 2 lemons as you wish. Then we add the squeezed lemon on the vegetables. Then we cover the vegetables with aluminum foil and place it in the oven at 450 degrees for half an hour. Then take it out of the oven, uncover it. Next, we are going to add pomegranate syrup equally over the vegetables and the meat, and this is gonna give it its special flavor. Place it back in the oven without covering it because we want to make sure that this meat and vegetables are being roasted in the oven. And this is it. Make sure you serve it hot with bulgur or rice. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. A question for today's video: what's your favorite recipe and how do you make it?